Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to Shares Guitar, and this is another product review, and I want to focus on trying to record without an audio interface. So supposing you have an external microphone, not necessarily this kind of microphone, but more like a lapel like this. So when I was using this phone, my Samsung Galaxy AS A21s, it used to have this aux input. So the modern phones do not have this part, so you are forced to buy converters like these, and sometimes they work, sometimes they don't. So I'm going to use this video to show you how you can record with this thing even though you are not using this kind of phone again, because maybe you are interested in using your modern mobile phone as your content video, to make your to take the videos for your content. So we want to go straight into it. So if you look at this microphone, let me untie it first. It's very nice, and you can connect it to somewhere here. If you found many, if you follow a lot of social media influencers or maybe content creators, you see them having these kind of microphones. If you're not using the wireless ones like I am, you can, and you have this one. When you take a look at this, it has these 3 strands. One thing I've realized, I've not been able to get the right information online, but if you know, you can leave in the comment section. When you take the actual output of the audio interface that we use, the output cable, so you see it comes out with a stereo. It comes out with these 2 bands, but this one has an extra band, right? This is strand. So what I understand from this is that the 3rd one represents the microphone. So if you connect it straight to the phone, and the phone has that aux input, it will be able to communicate with the phone directly that this is actually a microphone. But if you want to record onto your modern phone, because you have Type-C to aux, but what you may not have any idea how this one operates. So I've used this one. I'm not going to show the brand, but I've used this particular one. I think, okay, the brand is some phone or something. So I'm going to use I've used this one before. One thing that I realized was that it works well when you are using it for headset purposes, if you're going to take audio output. But when you are recording, the audio quality is very poor. It doesn't record it well. Let me try. So now it says it's recording with the output, the USB. I don't know how it's working right now, but let me know in the comment section if you go for this. Let me take it out. I'm sure it wasn't right, it wasn't okay, but yeah, so that's how this one. So you want to make sure that any converter that you buy, I try to use this splitter. So this splitter, if you can see, it has this 1 2 3 1 2 3. So it basically splits it into the microphone and headsets, but it didn't work for me. Although when I use this output and connect it to the microphone and connect it to the old phone, it works, kind of works, but it's not a reliable source if you want to use for a modern phone. And I also had this that I connected the output to the microphone part and just connected to my phone, but it didn't work for some reason. I don't know. So this one too is also out. But I remember when I wanted to get a device for splitting screens for my phone, I realized that StarTech is a very good company for this kind of stuff. So let me try it. Although I'm sure Samsung has its own original cable converter for it, which should work perfectly. And StarTech.com actually worked perfectly. And it is something that I will definitely use if I do not want to use the audio interface again. If I want, for some reason I don't want to use the audio interface, the StarTech one is a good option. So I'm going to try it out. So now it's recording with the microphone, so I can play my guitar. Okay. All heaven declares glory of the Lord, who once was slain to reconcile man to God. Forever you will be the Lamb upon the throne. I gladly bow to thee and worship him alone. So another way is when you have a speaker, I can play through my audio interface. Hello guys, for some reason I was hearing some noise coming from the recording. I don't know where that one is coming from. I'm just going to do I just decided to record another one to see if it's going to replicate, it's going to repeat itself back. Forever you be the Lamb upon the throne. I gladly bow to thee and worship you alone. Forever you'll be the Lamb upon the throne. I gladly bow to thee and worship you alone. Oh, heaven declares the glory of the risen Lord, who once was slain to reconcile a man to God. Forever you will be the Lamb upon the throne. Yeah, I gladly bow to thee and worship him alone. Forever he will be, oh, the Lamb upon the throne. Oh, I gladly bow to thee and worship worship you alone. So I think that's it. I hope this one works well, and leave in the comment section if you like this one, and give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Don't forget to share, hit the notification bell icon so that you'll be the first person to see my videos. Thank you, and see you next time. I gladly bow to thee and worship you alone. I gladly bow to thee and worship you alone.